Yesterday, I had a meeting with the business partner, and he told me that one of his clients recently employed 11 employees for just building a AI chatbot. And I was like, honestly, 11 people for building a simple AI chatbot on their website? I didn't get it. So yeah, he told me they employed them, and I was I just couldn't believe it. And that's why I just wanted to show you guys how easy it can be to build a custom AI chatbot. And after that, I'm going to show you the easiest way to build your own chatbot that you can use on your website that answer all the questions of your company and even books appointments for your clients. So let's stop talking and let's head to the computer. So basically, there are multiple tools you can use to build your own AI chatbot, and even you don't need to integrate AI, but you can. My favorite platform is Voiceflow. You can use it for small business, for medium-sized, and you can even use it on enterprise level. So yeah, let me show you how it works. You simply click on sign in, you create an account, and then you will be in there. You're going to see an overview of all your existing chatbots and for your clients, and you're going to head over to new agent. Then you want to give it a name. In this case, we're going to call it test agent. You want to choose the modality. Modality means like chat for website chatbots or WhatsApp, but written, and voice is like Alexa or Siri. In this case, we want to use chat. You also have the possibility to import your own NLU models if you have them, but I guess if you're watching this video, you don't. So then we're going to choose language. We want to choose English, and then we're going to hit continue. And if you like, you can also add some members of your team or your clients, or just create your agent. And yeah, basically it's now loading a basic startup files. If it's the first time for you, just go through it and just read it, and it's gonna help you. But in my case, we wanna delete all this stuff. How Voiceflow works is pretty simple. So you have always these start nodes, and how it works is like you have these on the left side, these different cards where you can use or choose different elements how your assistant should work and should react. You always want to start with a message. So you just drag the node in here and connect those two. So it's that easy, as you can see. And in here, this is the first message the assistant will say. So in this case, it could be like, hello, how can I help you? And that's it. So as you can see, if we now run the agent, it's not even any functionality, but you will see it start, and then the assistant says, hello, how can I help you? And now we ask the question, now we want the user to answer. So the user has now the possibility to write their answer. Now we want to listen, and we want to capture their response. So we want to capture their answer. And over here you see entire user reply, so we want to capture the whole reply. You have the possibility, let me explain. Entire user reply means if the user answers, hello, my name is Max, how are you? I want to know whatever. Then the whole answer, the whole reply will be stored. If you're, for example, just interested in their name or their phone address, and you ask in the first step, how can I help you? What's your phone number? And then the assistant would just search and look for the phone number and just capture that element and not the entire. But in this case, we're going to use entire reply in the last utterance, so just the last response of the user. You could also use other things here, but now that the user will answer our question, we need the AI to either ask further questions or answer. And in this case, so as I want you to show the easiest way to build your own AI chatbot, you're going to head over to AI and choose the response AI node. Just drag it over here, connect those two. And now the funny part, we're going to start. So you have two options. You can use the AI model that you can choose ChatGPT, Claude, and lots of other LLMs. And in this case, it won't use your own knowledge base. It won't use your own company data. And if you use knowledge base, we're gonna need to fill the knowledge base with your own data. We're gonna do that on a later point. So first, we wanna head over to AI model, and then you can see here, you can use prompt using, or respond using just a prompt, respond using the memory. That means if it's a long conversation, AI can use the memory to respond, or we can combine both, so memory and prompt. Then you can go over to prompt settings. Here you can choose your LLM, either GPT from OpenAI or Claude from Anthropic, and even Google Gemini 1.5 Pro. So you can play around with it, play with the temperature, play with the tokens. It's very important that you give a proper system prompt. There are many advices out there telling you to use some fancy tricks and ways to make the AI do whatever you want. But as I played around with it and I work with AI for like 18, 19 months now, yeah, trust me, the easier and the more clear you tell it and you write it and the easier words you use, the better the response will be. So stop playing around with any complex prompts, just be easy. That's the main thing. And yeah, we're gonna play with it in a bit. So here you can choose either, and also from the knowledge base, you just tell what's the question, what's the instruction, and we're gonna come back to that on a later point. Okay, so now that we have our question, the first reply of the user, and our AI answer, we wanna make it a conversation. In that case, we need a next message, and this message could say, is there anything else I can help you with? And we will leave it down here. And in this case, after the answer of the AI, we want to jump down here and we're going to connect this directly to the response of the user. And in this case, we want to build a conversation round. In case the AI will not be able to answer the question, we need a fallback, like not found. So in this case, also pretty easy. We use a next message, just saying, sorry, I cannot help you. And to keep it simple, bye. So you know what I mean. Then from not found, we're gonna go down here. So what's now missing is we need AI. We need either a prompt for AI or we need a knowledge base. I'm gonna show you how to use the knowledge base and then we come back here. So for using the knowledge base, we wanna go back and then in knowledge base. It's also pretty easy and simple to use for everyone. First, you're gonna go over here to settings and choose your model. Choosing the model, so you can decide, do you need a model more on the conversational side, more on facts and data and analytics? It really depends on your needs and also on the price you want to spend. In this case now we're going to use GPT-4o Mini. It's pretty cheap at the moment, so let's choose that one. We keep all those settings for now. You can just play around with it. And also you get a basic system prompt, like you are an FAQ AI chat assistant. Information will be provided to help answer the user's question, and so on and so on. We're gonna leave it for now, just play around with it and yeah, just try and tweak some little things. But as I said before, keep it easy and keep it simple. Then hit gonna save. And then you need to add your data source. And you have multiple options. You can just scrape URLs from your website. You can upload your whole sitemap. You can upload files or plain text or even connect Zendesk. So in my case, I'm going to use just two of my domains or two of my sites. So salespro.io for a basic site and salespro.io/coaches for an offer for coaches. Just hit import and now it's going to run and scrape the pages. It's just seconds. Sometimes it takes like 1 or 2 minutes, sometimes seconds. So in this case, it was pretty fast. Now you can check your preview. So you can just click on preview, ask any question, and it will provide you an answer. Or you can add more data sources. At that point, when you control that your prompt is right, that the knowledge base is properly set up, then you want to go back to workflows, go in there, and we need to set our AI. So we hit knowledge base. As we said before, the question will be stored in last utterance. So we're gonna go in here and just simply, we need curly brackets, last utterance. And so the AI knows, okay, the question is stored in last utterance. And then we're gonna say instructions. We have the knowledge base prompt, and we need also a instruction here. So the knowledge base is system prompt, and here we need the instruction so AI knows what to do. And I would say here, to keep it simple, answer the user's question as precise and short as possible. Maintain a friendly tone and be a bit witty. So, all right, so we have the now found part. We can override the prompt settings from the knowledge base. We keep it like that. You can also hit the preview and test it. We're gonna test it live now. So check it, is everything in there? Yes, it is. Then we hit run and test the agent. Hit run, wait for the first response. Hello, how can I help you? Hi, I want to have my own chatbot. Can you help me with that? And as you can see, it took the path for answering. And the answer, yes, you can set up custom AI chatbot with Sales Pro tailored to your needs. Is there anything else I can help you with? And now we can answer more questions. And what I see now, so we should integrate a step or an intent so that if the user says no and there's nothing else, that the assistant will end the conversation. But what I wanted to show you here in Voiceflow, it's as you can see, it's pretty easy to work with it. You can really, and that's the focal, the benefit, you can really structure the conversation. So you can use steps that you define, that you decide what will be written there, and you are really in control of the response and how AI interacts with the user. It is, as you can see, pretty easy. It is quick. You can build your bot from scratch, and you can also play around with it. And you can connect different tools. You can make API calls and lots of more advanced stuff. We can cover that in another video. But today I want to show you how easy it is to create just a simple AI chatbot for your website. You can use this system in Voiceflow and build your own structure. But if you say, okay, that's even too technical for me, there is an even more simple or an even simpler version or way to build your own chatbot. For this, we want to head over to salespro.io, and then you want to go sign up, create an account, go to settings, and then conversation AI, and in here you can simply train your bot. It is pretty easy. You can just, as before, have the crawler to crawl your whole website. Click get data. You can customize your bot responses. So if there are any special answers or questions you need to be answered, you can integrate them here. You have also the possibility, pretty easy, to configure intents. So I mean with that, support and general questions, you can just really easy define the prompt and what the AI should respond and how it should respond. You can also add custom values. So what I mean by that, you can add custom values like your company name, name of your client's company, username, and so on. So you're pretty, in an easy way, pretty flexible. And then you also have the possibility to book appointments. So let the AI connect with your calendar and book appointments. So in this case, I have a calendar Sales Pro demo. So AI is possible to access the calendar and offer free spots to interested person. This is pretty handy. And if you've set the prompts, the domain, the intents, and everything is set from your side, then just go back to bot trial. And here you can choose between general questions or appointment booking. And we will do the same here. Hi, I want my own chatbot. Can you help me with that? Let's see the response. So now I will also go back to the knowledge base. Hey, sure thing. You can sign up your own, jump on a call with our expert, Freedom. What's your name? So here the prompt is more specific as it's a pre-set up for me. And you can really direct, but as you can see, in Voiceflow you need to build your own structure, your own path. And here, you don't need to build your path. It is pre-configured, just enter your details and off you go. So 2 simple ways to build your own chatbot. Yeah, if you want to see more stuff like what SalesPro and AI can do for you, just leave a comment and I'll take it for a next video and show you more around how we can help you as a business to really automate every single task in your business. Yeah, and if you're curious what SalesPro can also do for you, in the description below, just sign up for free, 7 days free trial for you. Pick your plan. If you have any questions, also leave a comment below. And if you like this video just a little bit, I really appreciate your like and your follow so we can show YouTube that this channel is valuable for you. See you next time.